Well, I see this piranha plant being cut out of paper. How is it going, Tam?
Good.
Is it challenging?
So
Challenging. You're doing great. This task is not easy, but the piranha plant is looking scarier with each cut of the paper. Wow, I see white teeth, shiny and sharp. Excellent job. And don't mind the tear, right? We will glue it and it will be invisible. Just keep the work steady. You're doing great. So, you want to take an easier challenge and cut out the pot?
Yeah.
Alright, but this piranha plant is looking more real with each cut of yours. So, it's a plant, it has to grow in a pot. Excellent. Nice and steady.
Inside bubbles.
What?
Oh. My more cuts and makes it more challenging.
You think it's too hard and you're giving up? Oh, the other side. Yeah, you need to flip it over.
You don't need to put it.
Glue the green side and then put it on the black background. Hold it nicely, Kylie. We do not run and destroy. Right. Excellent. That's how you do it. Yes? Hold the leaf. Hold the leaf. Slowly. See? You're doing everything. And you thought that was difficult. You're doing it. You're doing great.
Small pieces. But don't get my piranha, okay? Okay.
Now it's the pot time. Good.
I can't do it.
Yes, you can.
Clams,
And that's fine.
crap.
Is that
It's
ready?
over there.
Show me, show me, show me. Show me facing.